So once you've determined the scope of your edit, start thinking about the music, because where the way you put your music in will kind of determine how you're able to change gears. It's really effective in helping the audience notice that something has changed. Um, so that's especially useful in a longer feature that you can actually put in different types of music. They can help change gears, and it prevents boredom. It also helps emotionally, if there's something you want to get across. So in something like this, when the scenes change, um, the music can change and help people understand that the gears have changed. To go along with that, you can also change the pace of your edit, the style of your edit, what's happening. You might go from serious to funny, something like that. Um, and also, you can look for sound bites, because a lot of times those sound bites can break things up. They can be a way to change gears, or they can be incorporated into the music. Um, so here we're just going to go from a sound bite with music to a little bit of the end of the music, and then we'll go into change gears here.
I'm, I'm more than happy to get to and get through it and have a good time.
So it moves from that, kind of a reflective song to one of anticipation. It's a little bit faster. Um, we also, obviously, the video changes gears too. It's something low and then it's something high, and that also helps, keeps people's interest. Let's see if we can just go to another section here and see how this changes gears. So this is going from cocktail hour to introductions.
Put your hands together for the bride and groom, the new Mr. and Mrs. Ryan Carter.
So we just used some live audio there, to kind of break that up, and then we moved into, which is also good. I mean, if a lot is going on, if it's exciting, I don't think there's a problem with using live audio if you have it and it sounds good. So then it moves into, what was the first dance song, and then we use that for the dancing, which is always useful, because obviously the bride and groom, they're always going to like the first dance song, so it's pretty much definitely a good song to use.